Hello! There are some workers whose jobs are extremely satisfying to watch. This is the case for this pavement renovation, this effective way of overlaying concrete, the perfect pouring of cement onto the floor, this amazing carpet cleaning, and the secret behind pedestrian crossing lines. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. Get ready to see how these workers do their jobs. This is an innovative pavement preservation technique which combines the benefits of both a chip and slurry seal. These workers' goal is to leave a black, smooth, and durable pavement surface with a high slip resistance. The contrast between one layer of asphalt and the other attracts the eye. These amazing results reflect the experience of these workers. The asphalt is perfect. In this video, we're going to see an effective way of covering concrete pavement. The worker is in charge of covering the entire surface and checking that it has an even consistency. Details are important. That's why the worker uses his tools to add texture to the pavement. It's great to watch him in action. To finish, the worker checks that the pavement is completely smooth. In just a few hours, the floor will be completely ready to use. A construction site always attracts people's attention, and this is no exception. In this case, we see how a worker lays the floor of a house. Once he has the material to pour, the worker grabs a hose and pours the cement onto the floor. It's really entertaining to see how the cement covers the entire floor of this house. In addition to pouring the cement, this worker ensures that the consistency is even throughout the entire surface. This is certainly a very satisfying image. Pay attention, because in this video you'll see how easy it is to clean a super dirty carpet with a truck-mounted carpet cleaning machine. This worker uses an extremely powerful vacuum cleaner to remove all the dirt from the carpet. The difference between the clean and the dirty zones is impressive. This cleaning lasts only a few minutes, but it's fascinating. We can't stop looking at the results. This video is from a city in Denmark. Have you ever seen how the marks on pedestrian crossings are made? Well, in this video, you'll see how it's done. It's a manual job that requires a lot of skill and precision. This worker is responsible for painting the crosswalk lines and does it perfectly. Check out these results. It's impressive how these pedestrian crossing stripes are painted. What do you think? Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos.